Looking for the best electric scooter for 2025? In this video, we're showcasing the top 6 models that offer the perfect blend of speed, range, and reliability. Whether you're commuting through the city or cruising down the road, these scooters are ready to roll. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So let's get started. Number 6. Arwibon Q30 Sport e-scooter. It boasts a 2500-watt high-power motor that propels this scooter to an exhilarating top speed of 38 miles per hour. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling steep slopes up to 15 degrees, this scooter's sensitive throttle response ensures a smooth and dynamic ride. The scooter's large capacity and high-quality lithium battery. With a 48-volt and 16-ampere-hour battery, the Q30 can travel between 20 to 30 miles on a single charge. And when it's time to recharge, it takes just around 6 hours to get back to full power. This makes it perfect for both suburban and urban use. Comfort and safety are top priorities with the Arwibon Q30. The scooter features 11-inch thickened heavy-duty vacuum off-road tires that offer high elasticity and wear resistance. Coupled with 160mm disc brakes and an electronic brake system, you get powerful braking force and shorter stopping distances. The wider deck ensures you stay balanced, and the thickened frame can support up to 440 pounds, making it both durable and stable. The Q30 also comes equipped with an easy-to-read LCD screen that displays all the essential riding information. For those night rides, the ultra-bright front LED headlight will keep you well lit and visible. One of the best features of the Arwibon Q30 is its folding design. Assembling the scooter is incredibly straightforward. It takes about 5 minutes, and folding it down is a breeze. With a folded length of 123 centimeters, it fits comfortably in the trunk of most cars, making it a convenient option for those on the go. Number 5. Arwibon GT8 Dual-Motor Folding E-Scooter with Seat. The Arwibon GT8 features an impressive 5,600-watt dual-motor setup. This means you get a maximum speed of 50 miles per hour. That's right, 50 miles per hour. The dual 2800-watt motors provide exceptional acceleration and climbing ability, easily tackling inclines and rough terrain. And with a single or dual drive switch, you can choose between different energy-saving modes depending on your ride. Powering this beast is a high-capacity 60-volt and 27-ampere-hour lithium battery. This battery offers a maximum range of up to 43 miles on a single charge, and it recharges in just 6 to 8 hours. Whether you're commuting across the city or exploring off-road trails, this battery ensures you have the range to go the distance. Comfort and stability are key, and the Arwibon GT8 doesn't disappoint. It comes with 11-inch off-road tires designed to handle various terrains with ease. These tires are not prone to deformation and provide excellent grip, making off-road climbing and rugged paths manageable. Safety is a top priority with the GT8. It features a dual braking system with a front hydraulic brake and a rear double hydraulic brake. Keeping track of your ride has never been easier with a dual display system. Both large and small meters show critical parameters simultaneously, so you're always informed of your speed and battery levels. The Arwibon GT8 features a folding design, making it easy to store and transport. Number 4. Emanba X6 Pro Dual Motors Electric Scooter. The Emanba X6 Pro is equipped with dual motors, each with a power rating of 1200 watts, totaling an impressive 2400 watts. This dual motor setup allows the scooter to reach speeds of up to 55 kilometers per hour, making it a high-performance machine for both urban commutes and adventurous rides. One of the standout features of the X6 Pro is its upgraded folding design. It features an automatic lock mechanism that ensures a secure and stable fold. You can fold the scooter with just one click, one buckle, and one press. This makes it incredibly easy to handle and store, whether you're putting it in your car trunk or tucking it away at home. Powering this scooter is a high-efficiency concentrated power lithium battery. This battery is not only durable, but also comes with multiple safety features, including short-circuit protection, overcharge protection, over-discharge protection, overcurrent protection, temperature protection, and an automatic sleep mode. Safety is a key priority with the Emanba X6 Pro. It features both front and rear disc brakes, along with an electronic anti-lock braking system. The double-hand grip brake system provides effective and quick response braking, significantly shortening stopping distances and enhancing overall safety. The scooter also comes with a high-definition LED dashboard that displays important information such as power levels and speed. The large screen provides a clear view of your remaining power and speed, so you're always aware of your scooter status. For added visibility, the X6 Pro is equipped with LED headlamps, taillights, and traffic indicators for both left and right turns, ensuring you are seen and safe on the road. Number 3. JOYOR S10S Pneumatic Tires Electric Scooter. The JOYOR S10S is equipped with dual powerful brushless motors, each rated at 1,000 watts, bringing a total of 2,000 watts of power. This setup delivers impressive acceleration and climbing ability, allowing the scooter to reach speeds of up to 37 miles per hour and tackle slopes with a maximum angle of 30 degrees. With a high-capacity, 60-volt, 18-ampere-hour battery, you can enjoy a long range of up to 54 miles under optimal conditions. It features a hydraulic brake system that ensures quick and responsive braking. This system, combined with excellent front and rear shock absorbers, provides a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough terrain. The pedal is designed with anti-skid features to enhance safety, especially when driving at higher speeds. The scooter is easy to fold, making it convenient to carry on public transportation or store in your car. When folded, it measures 44 inches by 24 inches by 21 inches and weighs 59.5 pounds. This makes it an ideal option for commuting to school, work, or for short journeys. The JOYOR S10S is not just powerful but also smart. It comes equipped with a smart LCD meter that displays crucial information such as speed, speed mode, battery life, and lighting settings. For night riding, the scooter features bright LED headlights and taillights, along with left and right steering indicators. It comes with wider 10-inch pneumatic solid tires that offer excellent anti-seismic and anti-slip performance. These tires are designed to provide a comfortable riding experience, even on uneven road conditions, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. Number 2. SONGZO BT1 Dual Motor Electric Scooter. The SONGZO BT1 is equipped with a dual motor system that delivers an impressive 5,600 watts of total power. This means you can reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest scooters on the market. The high-performance 60-volt, 30-ampere-hour lithium-ion battery provides a remarkable range of up to 80 kilometers on a single charge, ensuring you can travel long distances without worrying about running out of power. The SONGZO BT1 comes with an exciting feature, a color-changing film valued at €99. You can personalize your scooter's appearance by choosing your favorite color. The film needs to be applied yourself, but don't worry, we'll provide you with a video tutorial to guide you through the process. The film will be sent separately from the scooter, so keep an eye out for it. Durability and weather resistance are crucial, and the SONGZO BT1 delivers on both fronts. It features an IP55 waterproof certification, ensuring that it can handle various weather conditions. The scooter's shell is made from 8mm thick ABS-E and PC synthetic materials, which are highly impact-resistant and durable. Comfort is key, and the BT1 is equipped with newly tuned shock absorbers to ensure a smooth ride. It features motorcycle-grade inverted hydraulic front shock absorbers and rear hydraulic shock absorbers, providing both comfort and support on different terrains. It comes with powerful hydraulic brakes at both the front and rear, equipped with 160mm brake discs. This setup offers fast and reliable braking, giving you peace of mind while riding at high speeds. Number 1. HEZZO F9 Dual Motors Off-Road Electric Scooter. The HEZZO F9 is equipped with dual motors, each with a power rating of 4,000 watts, bringing a total of 8,000 watts of power. These high-speed motors use a permanent magnet stator instead of traditional mechanical commutation and brushes, which reduces friction loss and increases speed. Powering the F9 is a robust 60-volt, 40-amp-hour lithium battery. This battery is made from 100% automobile industry power cells, offering reliability and safety. It provides a range of 80 to 100 kilometers on a full charge. The HEZZO F9 features an aluminum alloy handlebar and a patented 12-mode LED lighting system. The instrument button is conveniently placed, allowing you to start the scooter and adjust gears with ease. The high-definition LCD display shows essential information such as battery capacity, speed, and riding mileage, keeping you informed and in control. Comfort and stability are paramount, and the HEZZO F9 delivers with its advanced shock absorption system. It includes double inverted shock absorbers made from lightweight materials, offering rebound and lock functions suitable for all types of terrain. The F9 is designed with a portable folding system, making it easy to transport and store. The frame combines metal with acrylic, ensuring strength and durability while keeping the scooter lightweight. The HEZZO F9 is equipped with 12-inch off-road tires. These wide tires offer excellent ride resistance and impact absorption, providing a smooth and comfortable experience, even on rugged terrain. And there you have it, the top 6 best electric scooters for 2025. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.